good. What time you got?
Time to go.
Yeah. I feel you. We're in snap and go mode.
My legs are really talking to me.
Ah.
Like I said, I've been walking, but
Right. The Lord is your strength, your knee is getting stronger and stronger.
this is a little bit different. Than, grant you, I've been at the high school. I do walk the steps.
Right?
So man, I can always walking up and down this. My legs is like, okay, I ain't happy.
Ah.
I just thought I was in a little bit of shape.
Well, you were. You found some limits, huh?
Yeah, I guess I have.
Opportunity to build up some strength.
Want some more steps on those bleachers.
Oh, yeah. Well, but this itself builds up. Builds you up. Ooh. Hi.
Thank you.
Hello. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Those are nicely lit.
Yep.
Could be something there. Might turn out. I'll just grab that in passing. Try not to slow down. I'm trying not to slow down too much. Oh, but not go indie. Back before I got the GoPro, when I was trying to accomplish the same like stream of of events with just the camera, I think I topped out about 2,000 photos in a 4-hour trip. Maybe 5. Yeah, maybe 5-hour trip. Yeah, that's probably, yeah. It was a full day anyways for photo taking.
Yeah, I think when I went to China, when I got back, I spent about $100. Of course, that was back when you had film on just developing.
Oh, yeah. We're not going that way. Although, clearly that's an interesting way. Let's see. Oh. I keep thinking, for recording purposes,